Welcome back to Scots Studio, y'all. We all know what we're here to talk about today.
That's right, Nicholas. We're here to talk about the Common Scots versus the Sequoia Ravens, the matchup of the week.
Now, this rivalry matchup has been well anticipated throughout this season, and it's almost here.
Yes, a bit of history for you guys. Last year, the Common Scots won the Terry Mare Trophy, and the year before that. So they're going into this game looking for a three-peat, and the Ravens are going into this game with a chip on their shoulder.
Now, the Scots come into this game 4-5, and the Ravens come into this game 8-0 at the Ravens home stadium. So it's going to be a bit of an upset if they win.
And luckily for all of you guys, I've just informed that we do have practice film with the teams battling against each other.
Well, that's great. So let's go roll the clip now.